Now, before we dive into the unboxing, let me tell you a bit about ckshoes.com. They're not your average sneaker retailer. Nope, they've got their own factory that specializes in 1:1 brand sneakers. That means you're getting the exact same quality and materials as the originals, but at a fraction of the price. And let me tell you, their collection is impressive. From Nike to Yeezy, Adidas to Off-White, and even Gucci and Dior, they've got it all. Plus, they offer free shipping on all orders, so you can get your hands on those fresh kicks without breaking the bank. I can't wait to see what else ckshoes.com has in store for us. And there you have it, folks. That's our unboxing of the DIOR B22 all-white sneakers from ckshoes.com. If you want to get your hands on a pair for yourself, be sure to check out the link in the description below. And don't forget to use the code TBP for 15% off your order.